Okay, now that you have the first part done, let's keep going and working through more of it. This next part is, I want you to read through it so that you understand it, but it's showing on your phone or on your tablet how if they have the hand like this on your phone, and it's showing if it's this way up and down, it's Y. If it's this way across, it's X. And if the whole tablet or the whole phone, so I'll show it this way. If it's this way, it's Y. If it's this way, it's X. But if the whole phone is going up and down, then that's Z. That's a three-dimensional, okay? So it asks us to switch to blocks view and select the accelerometer sensor component from the screen drawer and pull it out. So the accelerometer sensor that looks like this, we pull that out in the blocks view. So come here, blocks. And we've got accelerometer sensor. And we're going to pull it out. Okay. Drag the accelerometer label text block to the empty do of the acceleration change block. Accelerometer label dot text. Accelerometer label. I don't know which one it wants. If it wants that one, or does it want this one? We'll find out. Hover over the accelerometer label text block to the empty do of the acceleration changed block. Hover over the X Excel variable and drag the get X Excel block to the empty 2. So you'll notice this green one with the set is the one it wants, and then it wants us to hover over this, and these come up, and then you want to get the get. So this goes in, and then we hover over that until we get this, and then we put that in there. There we go. And this, I can just set over here to the side because I don't really need it. If I need it later, great. If I don't, I can just get rid of it. Now, it said in our project lead the way, test your app, hold the device in front of you and tilt it left and right. Notice the changing value on the screen. So I'm going to get my phone and test it. Okay, I have my phone, and you will notice that my phone, right here, I can see it. Okay, so we are going to go up here to connect, AI companion, and I'm going to scan it. And when I tip it back and forth down here in my text label, it's going crazy. So I know it's working. That's what I was going for. Now we can go on to the next part. Describe, in my Word document, activity 2.1.2, Happy Accelerometer, Describe when the XXL value changes. When is the value positive? When is it negative? It's kind of when it's over too far this way or back too far this way. That's when it's positive and negative. And you can start a Word document. I'm waiting on it. There we go. Activity 212. Happy accelerometer. Okay, so you're answering the questions as we go through. Now it says select the built-in drawer and then the text component. Select the join block. This is the join block. This is how we concatenate more than one thing. So, drag the join block to the 2 of the accelerometer label text block, replacing the previous block that was there. Notice the previous block, get Excel, pops out of the 2 slot. So, we'll come over here. And if we want to put that, this one just pops out. Okay. Drag the Excel block to the bottom slot of the join. So, put this here. Get a little empty text one here. And then we put in there X ACCL colon. Just type it in X ACCEL colon. This block should look like the image. Okay. Take a close look at your join block. Its blue gear is called a mutator. With it, you can add slots to the join and add more information to your label. So select that join block and then select its mutator. And when the pop-up appears, in the pop-up, drag the string block into the upper left and place it below the other string blocks in the join. Do this until you have a total of 6 string blocks in your join. So I'm going to do that same thing. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Next, you will fill the empty slots in the join block. App Inventor lets you duplicate blocks. Sometimes it's easier to duplicate blocks than it is to grab them from their drawers. Right-click or control-click or two-finger click on the next block and select Duplicate. You can also use Control-C, Control-V to copy and paste. In your new text block, change the value to Y accelerate. Notice the extra spaces. They will make values easier to see. So, I'm going to take this, right-click, copy, paste, put it in here. Y. I bet I'm going to get a Y. Whoop. And it says Y. Notice the extra spaces. Drag a get Y block to the next empty slot to join. Test your app. Describe what the Y value does. When is it negative? And then follow the same process for Z. Okay, so let's just drag this. Okay, got get X, get Y, get Z. I'm going to come over here and in my Word document, when phone is tipped left and right, it goes from positive to negative, then back to positive. It's going to do the same thing, but now instead of up and down with my phone, it's going to be left and right. So we're going to test it in just a sec. That's the X. That's the Y. No, that's the Y. That's the X. And then this will be the Z. Okay? So I won't see Z. I think I only have labels for X and Y. We're going to go back to MIT App Inventor. And then come up here and connect. AI Companion. Scan my AI Companion. Scan my QR code. Okay, that gives me the X. Oh, X, Y. Okay, I'm getting them both. And I'm getting Z. Okay, and you can see on mine down at the bottom, hopefully, oops, it's going crazy down there. X, Y, and Z are all coming out on that label. Okay? Okay, so back to our Project Lead the Way instructions. I tested our app. You can see the numbers change, but the decimal values and the speed of the change make it hard to see the values. A small change, rounding decimals to whole numbers, will fix this. In the built-in drawer, select the math component and then the round block. Select it 2 more times. Drag one round block immediately before the Get Excel and repeat this for Y and Z. So, math. Random. There's round. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You are on track. Your join block should now round the decimals to whole numbers. When we test it, actually, I can see it right now. It's already doing it. X, Y, and Z are now whole numbers. Don't know if you can see this. but they are now whole numbers.